Top 10 Gadgets for Prepping. Prepare for anything with the top 10 prepping gadgets. From versatile multi-tools to solar-powered chargers, these essential devices ensure you're ready for any situation. Now, let's explore them and gear up for the unexpected. Anker 21W 2-port USB portable solar charger. Leave behind the hassles of traditional charging methods and embrace the freedom of off-the-grid power. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing an emergency, the Anker solar charger offers you the remarkable ability to recharge your devices anywhere under the sun. With our exclusive Power IQ technology, this charger intelligently adapts to your device's charging needs, delivering lightning-fast speeds of up to 2.4 amps per port, or 3 amps overall. Now you can power up your gadgets with remarkable efficiency while basking in the great outdoors. BioLite Camp Stove. Introducing the BioLite Camp Stove, the ultimate survival companion that goes beyond just cooking meals. This innovative 2-in-1 stove not only boils water in a mere 4 minutes, but also harnesses the power of fire to charge your electronic devices. Say goodbye to carrying heavy fuel canisters, as this lightweight and foldable stove runs on renewable fuels like biomass pellets, wood, and leaves, making it eco-friendly and labor-saving. With its LED indicator and flex light, you can cook with ease even in the darkest of nights. Made from high-temperature resistant aluminum alloy, this durable stove is perfect for all your outdoor adventures and emergencies. Power up and savor the freedom with the MassWorch BioLite Camp Stove. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is like having a magic wand for your hydration needs. This little wonder eliminates 99.999999% of waterborne bacteria and parasites, such as E. coli and Salmonella. Even the tiniest microplastics are no match for its power, with a filtration capacity down to 1 micron. Tested and approved by top-notch laboratories, it meets the strict standards of the US EPA, NSF, and ASTM. With a whopping 4,000 liters of clean water, this amazing device helps you stay refreshed and protected at all times. Garmin Inreach Explorer Plus. Survival never looked so good. The Garmin Inreach Explorer Plus is one of the best gadgets you can own during an emergency. With 100% global Iridium coverage, this satellite communicator and GPS navigator lets you send two-way messages, track your location, and even trigger an interactive SOS from anywhere on the planet. Equipped with preloaded maps, a digital compass, altimeter, and accelerometer, it's like having a survival expert in your pocket. Plus, with the EarthMate app, you can access downloadable maps and weather forecast, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever nature throws at you. MotoPad Survival Bike. The MotoPad Survival Bike is a rugged masterpiece designed to unleash your survival instincts. With its versatile design, it becomes a canvas for your tactical genius. Equipped with a universal rack, this military-inspired beast eagerly carries any equipment you can fathom. Fuel efficiency is key when survival is at stake, and this bike excels. Its primary tank, coupled with optional red side-mounted tanks, empowers you to journey 250 to 300 miles without refueling. Estream Water Power Generator. Introducing the incredible Estream Water Power Generator, a portable marvel that harnesses the power of moving water to keep you charged up and ready for survival. Whether you're exploring the wild or conquering the rapids, this compact generator converts water into stored energy, ensuring your devices never run out of juice. With a simple dip in the water, the turbine comes alive, channeling the natural flow into a built-in battery. This powerful companion boasts enough energy to recharge your smartphones thrice over, making it an essential must-have for all your epic adventures. Stay connected, stay powered with Estream. Leatherman Charge Plus TTI Titanium Multi-Tool. Survival situations demand reliable tools, and the Leatherman Charge Plus TTI is a true hero in the wilderness. Crafted with titanium and stainless steel, this multi-tool embodies durability and strength. Its arsenal of 19 tools, including a razor-sharp S30V knife and a serrated blade, ensures you conquer any challenge nature throws at you. Whether you're on a rugged hike, camping trip, or angling adventure, this lightweight 8.89-ounce beast will be your trusted companion, always ready to tackle the next survival test. First Aid Kit Ultimate Compact Grab-and-Go. This first aid kit is a true lifesaver in any situation. With a SWAT tourniquet for stopping severe arterial bleeding and stainless steel bandage scissors for precise cuts, this kit means business. It even includes Israeli compression bandages, Celix blood clotting granules, and a large ACE wrap for those unexpected injuries. Packed in a marine-style EMT pouch, this kit contains over 60 items, all safeguarded in waterproof bags for your peace of mind. Don't just survive, thrive with this ultimate survival companion. Phoenix PD35TA LED flashlight. When darkness engulfs, survival demands an ally that never falters. Enter the Phoenix PD35TA LED flashlight, a force to be reckoned with. Emitting a staggering 1700 lumens, its piercing beam stretches across 390 yards, piercing through the blackest of nights. With a USB rechargeable battery, this tactical beacon stands ready to guide you through treacherous paths. Compact and versatile, it attaches seamlessly to your gear, ensuring swift access when the odds are against you. Genio WindUp Radio. Compact and portable, Genio WindUp Radio is perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and fishing. Measuring just 5.7 by 2.17 by 2.68 inches and weighing only half a pound, it won't burden you on your adventures. Equipped with an AM/FM tuner, it keeps you updated on the latest information without relying on electricity. In case of a power outage, this radio provides 4 to 5 hours of playback or 10 to 12 hours of torchlight, ensuring you never fear the dark. Plus, it can be charged using the hand crank, solar panel, or micro USB cable.